Good morning, everyone. I welcome you to my video this midweek. Today is Wednesday, and as usual, we'll do our midweek quick update and see what's up with the market, how far the market has gone from yesterday, from Monday up till now, and what we should expect from the market for the rest of this week. So far since Monday, we've been having amazing week in the market, and we've been making some profits from the market, leveraging our money and risk management. And today we are going to look at what we should expect from midweek market reversal. We are going to look out for them and check what exactly we should look out for in the market. Also, I think next week much effects this week is concerned, but then we should not ignore the ripple effect of what is going to happen next week in the market. So let's tread carefully. So let's just move on to what we should expect for this week and see how we can leverage on what we have on the chart and see how it will go. Now, crude oil did me strong thing on yesterday. We entered a sell around here, and it spiked up. We entered a sell around here, spiked up and closed us out in 60 pips loss, and spiked down again, and now it is selling. I was almost going to enter around here, but I was trying to see and be sure that the market is not trying to do another fake out. Crude oil is a very delicate pair. Delicate in the sense of the minimum lot size you can use to trade crude oil is 1.00, and that is $1 per pip. So as this market has gone 70 pips now, that's $70 already. So if you are not careful, you can lose a lot of money from crude oil, and at the same time you can make a lot of money from crude oil as well. So that's why I said crude oil is a very delicate pair in the market. If you miss this trend in crude oil, I mean, if you miss this ride in crude oil, we wait for when the market will give us another opportunity to get into the market. So let's see how this is gonna go. Most likely it will keep selling. Most likely to continue to sell down to this support level. Yeah, most likely it's going to continue to sell down to that support level. So that's for crude oil. So moving on to gold. Gold was ranging around here almost since Monday, and we can draw this. We can draw this. We can draw this as an indication of what the market is doing. So this is what we can draw here. Now, if I'm going to be trading gold, I would love to wait for the market to close below this trend resistance. So below that trend resistance, I'll be looking out for a potential opportunity to sell gold. Now, that is what we have on gold. So, if price is able to sell to close below this trend support on gold, then we should expect possibly. Now, it's of course it's midweek reversal, yeah. But if you can understand what is happening here, this was on Monday. Uh, was that Monday? Yeah, this was on Monday, Tuesday. This is Monday, Tuesday. From Monday and Tuesday, price was going up. So midweek reversal means that we should expect price to reverse and start selling. Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. Now let me see if I can make it clearer to you. This is Monday. This is okay. I'm not liking that. I'm not liking that. I'm not liking that pointer. But what I'm trying to say is that we had a buy up from Monday and Tuesday, and from today we might have a sell, and the sell might continue down till it breaks below here, and even sell up to this extent. We might have a sell up to this extent. That's how midweek reversal works. That's how midweek reversal works. So we might have a sell up to this level here. You can see this is a resistance here, it became a support here. So it can sell down, up to this level as well. So let's see how that would go for gold. and we'll see how we can take advantage of that on gold. Now, this is pound NZD. This is pound NZD here. So what I feel might happen on pound NZD is we might have a spike up here, might have a spike up there, and then now have a sell. Now have a sell. So, but for now, I'm just going to wait and see what's going to happen on pound NZD. But I feel price is going to shoot up, and yeah, I feel it's going to shoot up a little bit. Let's see 1 hour chart. Yeah, it has been ranging here, and it's creating some liquidity gap in that sense. So price might just shoot up a little bit up to this level here to fill in the liquidity gap, as you would call it, and then thereafter sell. It will fill in the liquidity gap, at the same time accumulate orders. Right now it is accumulating orders to fill in the liquidity gap, at the same time close on people out in stop loss, getting more orders, and then sell down. So a lot of things are going to play out here. So let's see how that would happen on pound NZD. So on pound AUD, I was interested in trading pound AUD as at Monday, but when I saw the way the pair is moving, I kind of take a break off the market of pound AUD. So it has been accumulating since Monday across board here. It has been accumulating here. Now, this is a very tricky setup in the market. You can think it's going to sell and it will just spike up and buy, and you would think it will buy and it will just sell. So what I would say right now is I will just wait for the market to come down here. I'll wait for the market to come down here, and when the market gets to that level, I'm going to use that to make my decision on what is going to happen in the market. Are we expecting it to break below, or it's just going to bounce from there and buy? So that's for pound AUD. Now for pound USD, I closed this out in loss. I closed this out in loss on yesterday morning slash afternoon, and it's now selling. If I had not closed it, I'll be in profit by now. But I'm glad I closed it because anything could have happened in the market. It could have continued buying, and I would have lost more money. But then this is part of the things you experience in the market. So there's no hard feelings. Right now on pound USD, what we should expect is something like this. This is what we have in the market. This is what we have in the market for pound USD. So let's see how this is going to play out on pound USD. So I'm just going to wait and watch out for what's going to happen on pound USD. This is a level, something like a support level there. So you can see it's similar to pound AUD. So let's see how that will play out, and then we use that to make our decision in the market. So moving on to pound JPY. Pound JPY is currently at a support level. So it's straightforward. Let's just wait and see what happens at that support level. There's no big deal. Let's just wait and see what's going to happen at the support level. This is support here. It's already at that support level again. But this is looking like a strong momentum in pound JPY, but it can also be tricky. It's midweek. It won't take it up to 5 minutes before we have a bullish pin bar formed from this um, candlestick. So let's just see what's going to happen on that level. CAD JPY, you can see it's running profits. Our first take profit target has been hit. So we are on the road to our second target. So I'm going to keep holding my CAD JPY pair. I'm going to keep holding it. So that's that for now. If you are in my signal group, you would have benefited from that. Euro JPY has hit my first and second target. So we've closed our Euro JPY sell. First and second target has been met. So right now, if price breaks below here, we're going to look out for a continuation in the decline. Right? All right. All right. All right. All right. CHFJPY is also our first target has been hit. Our first target has been met. Our second target is close by. So our second target is close by on CHFJPY. So we keep holding that. There is a support level around here that I'm targeting for CHFJPY. So that's where our second target is. So let's see how that would also play out. Euro USD, I knew this was going to sell right from Monday. I just didn't know when it was going to sell. I was expecting it to test this trend resistance one last time before it sells, but turns out that price did not touch that level before it sold off. And this is a nice sell. I don't trust this sell. This is what I expect. I expect it to sell to that level, and we have this. This is what I personally expect from Euro USD, but let's see how this is going to play out. So I'm not saying this is what will happen, but let's see how this is going to play out. It's a possibility in the market. It's a possibility in the market. And USD as well, USCHF as well, almost similar to Euro USD. And this is a rising channel, ascending channel, which signals a bullish, a bearish bias in the market. But let's see if this is going to be respected or not. If this bullish move continues, then we are going to, this is not valid, then we'll keep having a buy up to this level, then to this level, and higher if possible. So that's USD CHF. USD card as well is coming close to this area. So just as I'm expecting on Euro US, I'm expecting to get here and sell from there But then let's see how that is going to play out on USD card. Let's see how that's going to play out on USD card. NZD card, I'm still waiting for a clear signal to sell. I'm very much bearish on NZD card. I'm waiting to sell to this level and possibly to this level too. So let's see how NZD card is going to play out around here. Price seems to be accumulating order here. So if we have a clear sign to sell, we'll be selling for NZD card. AED USD, well, it's also looking like a sell. But I think I'll rather stay away from AED USD for today. I'll stay away from AED USD today, except I get a clear shot on AED USD. So I'm just gonna stay away from AED USD. USD JPY is finally at the support level, as I expected on Monday. So at this level now, I'm just going to watch and see what's going to happen there. If price is going to go back up, is price going to continue selling, or to just keep accumulating orders and keep ranging around there. So Euro card, if this level holds, this is a confluence here at Euro card that I pointed out on Monday. Now, if this confluence of resistance holds on Euro card, then it's a good opportunity for us to sell on Euro card. However, I think you need to watch and be careful so that you will not fall for the fake move in the market. So let's see if this level holds as a resistance, and then we can see if we can risk it. Pound CHF, well, let me just stay away from this pair again. And I think I'm just going to remove this pair from my available options of market. But let's see how it goes before we finally remove it from my watch list. Euro AUD seems as though price want to keep going back up. I won't be surprised anyway. It's possible for it to come to this level here, this level that has been holding as a resistance here. So it can come and test it again as a resistance before it continues to sell or breaks above and buys. So that's for Euro AUD, and that should be all for this week. So I hope to see you in my next video where I'm going to be picking a subject matter in the Forex market, and I'm going to do a teaching on it. So I hope you have been learning something, and I hope you are improving your trading through my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with others. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel as well. And I hope to see you in my next video. Have a lovely day ahead.